Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and I'm going to do the work for creating functions. So let's start the assignment, creating functions. All right, I've got to create the function for this. So this is an absolute value. I'm definitely going to use my notes on this and my workbook. So absolute values, what do we have? We have y equals the absolute value of x minus h plus k, where the h does the side to side and seems backwards, and the k does an up down and seems normal. So I need to move this guy, oh, and I need a number in front of it to flip it. I don't know what to put there. All right, so what do I have here? Do I need to flip it? Definitely need to flip it. That's an absolute value bar. And I need to move it to the right 6. So minus 6 moves it to the right 6. And I need to move it up 5, it looks like. Up 5. There we go. I wish I could check my answers on these. So I have it as y equals absolute value, negative absolute value, negative absolute value, x minus 6 plus 5. All right, let's submit that one and keep going. All right, so this is an S shape, and I know that the S shape is made by the cube roots. So I have y equals the cube root of x minus h plus k, where the h does a side to side and seems backwards, and the k does an up down. So I have a normal one that just shifts it up. So this is going to be y equals a square root of x, there's no left right, plus 5. That moves it up. So an S that's been moved up 5 units. All right, this is a half U. I know that half U's are formed with square roots. So this is a square root, x minus h plus k. How am I moving this? It looks like I'm moving it over 4 and down 1. So y equals the square root of x plus 4. There's my over 4 down 1. You know, I should actually be writing these better. So this was number 1. This was number 2. This is actually a cube root though, isn't it? I didn't write a cube root. Okay, this is, you know, maybe this is number 3 right here. This is the square root. Y equals x plus 4 minus 1. Okay. Number 4. You probably couldn't see what I was just writing. Number 4, what am I looking at? I'm looking like absolute value. It doesn't need to flip. It needs to move over 2. And it needs to move down 1. There it is. Over 2, down 1. All right, this is an S shape. So I know that's a cube root function. I know that it's going to move over 2. And it looks like it doesn't move down at all. You know, I think I messed up my other cube root one. I'll have to go back and fix that. Y equals cube root x minus 2. So I had a cube root back here, didn't I? Was this a cube root? That should be a cube root of x plus 5. There, right, cube root of x plus 5. All right, number 6. All right, it's an absolute value. So y equals absolute value. It's flipped. There's my flipping. X, it's been shifted over 1, and it's been shifted up 4. Y equals negative absolute value x minus 1 plus 4 . So that was number 6. Number 7, I'm looking at y equals, that's just a square root of x. There's no shift on that. That's just a y equals square root of x. No shift at all. All right, so this is an S shape, so it's a cube root function. This is number 8. I've got a cube root. Y equals the cube root of x. It's been shifted right 1, and it's been shifted up 1. Y equals the cube root of x minus 1, get outside of that, plus 1. All right, so this is a half u. So this is number 9. It's a half u, so I'm looking at a square root function. It's been flipped, so I just added my flip to it. It's going to move right or left 4. There's my left 4. Remember, it seems opposite. And it's going to be moved down 3, minus 3. So I have y equals negative square root x plus 4 minus 3. All right, so this is an absolute value with no flip on it, so it's y equals absolute value. I need to go, what? I have to go right 2, and I need to go down 3. Right 2, down 3. Okay, this is a flipped S, so y equals negative cube root of x. It has a shift of 4, so negative 4, and then it has a shift up of 2, so plus 2. Okay, this is a flipped half u, so I'm going to go y equals, here's my flip, half u, x, looks like it's got a shift of 4, so minus 4 to the right, and a shift up of 2. There's my shift up of 2. What do I have here? This is just a flipped S. So y equals, there's the flip, cube root of x and this is a flipped V, so y equals, there's the flip, absolute value, x, it's got a plus 2 for the shift left, and a minus 3 for the shift down. How did I do? Hey, excellent. That one worked out. 14 out of 14. Thanks for watching.